Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. We have arrived at Ace Hotels, AC Hotels in Chicago, Illinois. We're in the River North neighborhood of the city, and I wanted to give you an inside look at the hotel. We're gonna start off in the bathroom. Here's a very sleek and simplistic bathroom. I will say it's on the smaller side. If you can see here, here's the toilet, and then here's the door. You really don't have much room if you're gonna keep the door open if you want to put on a show as you're on the toilet, I guess. But there's hand towels, washcloths. It looks like just one towel. So probably gonna have to ask for more towels, but here's a rainforest shower, which is really nice. And over in this area, they have what seems to be an open closet, which is pretty unique. I've never seen a closet like this before. But you have your safe, ironing board. We got a nice mirror here, pretty much full length. Here's the coffee area. If you're into coffee, I'm not into coffee, so I will not be using that. Ice bucket. And then what's really nice, they have a pretty small fridge. Oh wait, it's a little bit bigger than I thought actually. And 2 complimentary waters, which I'm digging. I'm really happy that they have free waters, which is cool. And now we are on to the living space, where there's a pretty nice king-size bed. On this side you have, oh yes, I was praying for this. Look at that. They got the Netflix, so it looks like a smart TV. As long as they got Netflix, I am happy about that. The reading light, which I like, but unfortunately I did not bring my book today. I'll be reading a little bit later. This time around, I'm just gonna be chilling. Nice sizable TV. If you want to put your luggage in this space, in this area, you can. Nice seating area. Workspace. They got a nice seating area here as well. Ooh, and something else that they have in a select number of their rooms. Get ready for this. They have a balcony. Can you believe it? This is so nice. These rooms, I would say that they're pretty affordable in terms of the price. I'm gonna open it up so that you can get the feel of how large it is. It is really quite large, if I'm being honest. They unfortunately don't have any seating, but there's a nice little view. Michigan Avenue is right there. You got Marshall's if you want to shop, Grand Lux Cafe. Is that Coach? Yeah, Coach is over there. A whole bunch of stuff that you're able to take advantage of while you are at the Ace Hotel. Their location is really awesome. Really great. Let me just close this. All right. So yes, this is the balcony area. They have an indoor pool. They have a bar, a restaurant here. fitness room, They got a lot of really nice amenities. But overall, I'm really happy with my stay. I'll leave comments in the description box of any additional things I may have noticed with my stay. But this is your inside look at their king size room with a balcony. So if you want a balcony, please by all means either book for a balcony or just ask when you check out. They may have some balcony rooms that are available. But with that being said, if you haven't already, make sure that you follow me on TikTok, Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I will be back soon with some more reviews.